In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a capture card with OBS Studio for Beginners 2026. We'll start by getting the hardware connected, then set everything up inside OBS so you can record or stream with clean video and synced audio. Begin by wiring the capture card externally. Take an HDMI cable from your console or camera and plug it into the HDMI input on the capture card. Make sure it's fully seated, and if you're using a console, disable any HDCP setting in the console's system menu if you don't see video later. This input is what the capture card will send to your computer. Next, run a second HDMI cable from the capture card's HDMI output to your monitor or TV. This is the pass-through connection that lets you play or monitor with little to no latency while the computer captures in the background. If your card supports high refresh rates, match the monitor and game output for the smoothest experience. Now connect the capture card to your computer with the included USB cable. Use a USB 3.0 or faster port when possible for reliable bandwidth. Avoid long or unpowered hubs, and allow your operating system a moment to recognize the device. Some cards install drivers automatically. If your model needs software, install it before opening OBS. Open OBS and look at the sources dock in your scene. Click the plus icon and choose Video Capture Device. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, then confirm. In the device dropdown, select your capture card. If you see a black screen, double-check the HDMI direction and that the console or camera is powered on and sending a supported signal. Change the resolution/FPS type to custom so you can set your preferred resolution and frame rate. Match these to your source for best quality. For many consoles, 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second is a solid starting point. If your camera outputs 30 frames, choose that to avoid stutter. Leave other defaults unless your card's documentation suggests otherwise. If you don't see audio levels moving for the capture card, add a new source by selecting Audio Input Capture and picking the capture card as the device. This routes the card's embedded HDMI audio into your scene. To hear that audio through your PC while still sending it to the stream or recording, open the audio mixer, click the gear next to the capture card's audio, and choose Advanced Audio Properties. Set its monitoring to monitor and output. Watch for clipping in the meters and reduce the source volume if it hits red. At this point, you should see your gameplay or camera in OBS, hear it on your speakers or headphones, and be ready to record or go live.